So this is how you can comment with a photo or video on TikTok. Let's go on ahead and open up TikTok. And as you can see, I am in a video right now. So how do we actually comment something that is a photo or a video? Well, let's go on ahead and open up the comment section and then tap on the add comment at the bottom. You will see that you won't be able to actually add any video, but you can reply on these comments with a photo and video. So just choose a comment where you want to add a photo or video in and tap on the reply button. Next, you will see the red camera icon right next to where you're typing. So what you're going to want to do is tap on that, and here we are. As you can see, we are already in the camera. You could even tap on photo and take a photo yourself, or you could go on ahead and open up the gallery and choose a photo that you want to send. Now tap on next and basically just add a title if you want to and the text that you want to reply with. Tap on post and it's going to appear under that comment. If you want other people to see it without them having to see the other comments, sometimes it's going to appear even though they just opened the comment section and not the other comments. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That is how you can add videos and photos into the comment section. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.